Austin. I'm with Appliance Factory, and today we're going to show you how to take the bins out of the freezer of this fruit store GE refrigerator. First thing you want to do is make sure that you don't have very much food in here, because you don't want anything to be moldy when you take this stuff out. First thing is this top drawer. So when you lift on the front of it, it will pop out, and it has wheels on the back that will slide out with it. Right here. And then with this bottom one, we have to pull up on the front and then slowly pull it out. Okay, now we're going to reverse the action and we're going to put everything back in. So start with the bottom one. You want to lift the front of it, put it down. And then there are these tabs on the side here that will fall into these holes on the rail to make sure that it's secure. There we go. And then with the top one, same thing, hold up the front of it, drop it in. And then you want to make sure those wheels on the back that I showed you go into the rails. And it will slide in very easily. And then we'll close it up. And that's how we do it.